Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing something different. I'm going to be doing my friend's locks. Her name is Jay.
Hi.
So I'm going to insert some pictures like right here on how she got her locks, and she's pretty excited, and then she saw like how many there were, and there were about like maybe like 30 to 40 locks, and I was like, that's interesting. So I went ahead and separated most of them, and so now she has about 74 locks. Technically it'll be her second retwist, but it'll be her first retwist after getting them separated, if that makes sense.
So I got my hair done at an actual hairdresser, a loctician salon, and I almost paid $300 for something I did not like. There will be pictures hopefully inserted that'll show what I asked for and what I got versus what I got. So it was kind of depressing, but yeah.
Okay. All right, let's get started. We're in the studio right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna be performing some music. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to be a part of the notification gang, hit the subscribe button and click the bell right to the right of it. Also comment down below for new video suggestions. I plan on doing new food videos eventually, and a video on why I became vegan/plant-based, so stay tuned for that. And I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you then. 𝘫𝘢𝘴𝘩𝘢𝘭𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘮